this about here. Burgers are one of my favorite foods to eat. But when you have them outside, you don't know what they put in them. So I like to make my own at home. And I'm going to show you exactly how I do it. So the ingredients I will be using are fries, cheese, burger patties, mushrooms, burger buns, onions, and my seasoning. So first, we're going to marinate my burger. We're going to be using MSG, chicken seasoning, curry powder, thyme, and soya spice. I see you judging me in the comment section that I'm using different containers. Well, I'm a true Nigerian. My mom is a true Nigerian. We reuse containers for our spices, just like our trash bags. Also, earlier I mentioned the spice. It's called suya spice. It's a popular spice in Nigeria that we use to make many different dishes. Now back to cooking. So now we're gonna marinate our burger in oil. So add some oil on top. Get one of these and just we're gonna do our mushroom. So now we're gonna peel our mushrooms because I feel it makes it cleaner than just washing it off. After peeling, I rinse it with some water to make sure it's cleaned all the way. So now we're gonna cut them into strips. So now we can put that aside. This is the final result. Type burger in the comment section if you're gonna try this recipe. Now for the taste test. I rate this a 100 out of 10. Bye!